Okay, it's Tuesday, hopefully, and what you should do is after you've played band warm-up number 1, you should review line A. Okay, so let's go ahead and play through that one time right now. And 1 and 2, playing line A. Alright, so line A might take a couple of tries to get it back on your fingers, but that'll stick after a couple of days. Again, focusing on good sound and your phrasing, breathing every 4 measures if you can. Alright, line B is like an opposite version of line A. It's still 2 half notes and a whole note for every 2 measures for the whole exercise. The difference is, instead of starting on the note from lesson 6 and working your way up to the note from lesson 3, it starts on the note from lesson 3 and works down to the note from lesson 6. Okay, that's a different note for everybody. That's why I'm not saying note names. This is the easiest way to say that for right now. So same idea. We're going to count through it. We're going to say it and finger it. And then we are going to air, finger, tongue it. And then we are going to play it. Let's count it first. And 1, 2, Eastman system, go. 1, 3, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 3, 1. For some reason, it's saying it with the right phrasing, right? 4 measures in a breath is a little bit easier than the air, finger, tongue side of it. Okay, say your note names and finger this time. Here we go. 1, 2, say your fingers, go. Note name, note name, note name, note name, note name, note name. Make sure you're saying your flats if you're trom. 1, 3, if you're flute or trombone or tuba, right? Got to say those flats. 1, 3, 1. All right. So now we get to air, finger, tongue it. Air, finger, tongue. Yeah, I already know, right? We already learned from yesterday's lesson that I can't breathe it, the air, finger, tongue side of this in 4 measure phrases. So you're going to hear me breathing after this whole note here, even though that's not what we're going to do when we play. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. All right, really good. And now we finally get to play this. Here we go. Make sure you check your body position as you do this. Make sure you're sitting nice and tall with your feet on the floor. And 1, 2, ready. All right, so that's your Tuesday lesson and your Tuesday playthrough, as well as band warm-up number 2, of course. And then tomorrow we'll go ahead and move on to line C.